How to change background in Microsoft Forms. Here's how you can customize it step by step. First, open a web browser on your computer. Search for Microsoft Forms and open the official website. Make sure you are signed in to your Microsoft account. Now, open the form where you want to change the background. Once your form is open, look at the top. Click the Style icon that looks like a paint palette. You'll now see different theme and background options. You can choose one of the suggested colors, images, or themes. If you want to use your own image, click Customized. Click the plus icon. Here, you can choose an image from Image Search, OneDrive, or your computer. To use an image saved on your computer, select the Upload option. Choose the image you want to use as your background. Once you've selected the image, click Add. Microsoft Forms will now apply the selected image as your form background. You can also go back to the Style options and choose a different background if needed. That's it. That's how you can change or customize the background in Microsoft Forms with your own image or a suggested theme. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.